I was very happy. I just put on my driver retractor, seat belt retractor on, and started the car first time after I replaced it. Well, actually I fixed it. I sent it to a third party, safetyrestore.com, and you see what happened now. The airbag light is gone. No more airbag light. I don't even need to go to my mechanic and have it scanned. I don't think I have to, because there's no more airbag light. I am very happy after a couple months of trying to do this. So basically I had airbag light on, and I scanned the system, and turned out to be 2 codes. Basically the codes say to check driver and passenger seatbelt pretensioner resistance too high or too low. So what I did the first time, I sent out all of my buckles and my driver side right there to have it adjusted or calibrated. Again, there was no airbag deploy. And then today I just replaced my driver side, got it back. I put it back on the same original retractor, just have it fixed, adjusted, and as soon as I turn on my engine, the airbag light is off. Voila! I can go back to my DMV, Department of Motor Vehicle, and get my salvage title, because this car got into a total accident, just the frontal damage. But since it's 2005, so the insurance company settlement came out. You know, they wrote me a check, and I fixed it. And my body shop were not able to fix my airbag light. They refer me to a couple of places, but they didn't really help me or responded to my phone calls. Anyway, I am very happy, and here you go, how to fix airbag light due to seatbelt pretensioner resistance too high or too low.